Welcome. This will be exercise 3. Let's call this exercise 3. In this exercise, you are given a table. You are given equations. These are equations of straight lines, but they are not in standard form. So first thing, you got to bring them to standard form. Once you got them into standard form, then if you have another line which is parallel to this line, in other words, if you have another line which is parallel to this line, because this is a standard form of this, then what will the gradient be? And if you have another line which is perpendicular to this line, what will the gradient be? So let me just do an example and show you. I'll do the first one. So if I bring this to standard form, this is a very simple example. Y is equal to 3x will go on that side, and the 2 will go on that side, and it's finished. So that's in standard form. Now I want to know what is the gradient of a line which is parallel to this line. Now if this line is parallel to this line, the gradient will be the same. So the m will be 3. Now if there is another line and it is perpendicular to this line, then the product of the gradient will be -1. So this is what I will say. I will say, well, the gradient of one line times the gradient of the other line must give me -1. So this is 3. So 3 times m2 must give me -1. Alright, let me just do the working here. And I'll put the final answer in there. So let me do the working here. So, sorry about that. So the gradient m1 times m2 must give me -1. This gradient is 3. So this will be 3 times this other gradient which I don't know will give me -1. So I'm trying to solve for m2. So m2 is equal to -1 divided by 3. Because it's multiplied here, I have to divide there. So the final answer is m2 is equal to -1/3. So therefore my answer here is the gradient is equal to -1/3. You see, I did a little bit of working. So you'll have to do a little bit of working to get that answer there. Alright, so what you can do now is pause the DVD and try the examples and come back for a review. Alright, so you must also learn to be smart and do time management. So it should take you about 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 minutes most, and you should be complete with this exercise. Alright, pause the DVD and try it.